This quick little video is going to show you the dangers of having an outdated cordless phone. I can show you how other people can listen to your conversations with a radio scanner if you have a newer 1.8 gigahertz DECT, or like this one for example, or a 2.4 gigahertz analog phone or a 5.8 gigahertz analog phone. I wouldn't really worry. But if you've got a 900 megahertz analog phone or a 30 or 49 megahertz analog phone, then pretty much anyone with a scanner can eavesdrop onto your calls. I'm going to power on my scanner and set it to the frequency cordless phone operates on, and I'm going to lift it up and press the button, and you can hear it on the scanner. So I'm going to go call a pizza company. And you can hear that the call was on the scanner. So, the frequency range for this phone is about 39 megahertz, and I can demonstrate it to you by putting it in close call mode and pressing the find handset button. You can see it's 30.250 megahertz, and now you just hear the dial tone on it. Turn the phone off, no dial tone. Okay, I'm about a house away. And the phone I can hear fine. Going a bit further. A good indication of a phone running on analog frequencies is that it has a long telescopic antenna. I hope you found this video interesting. Please subscribe, rate, and comment.